G'day, I'm John from Ocean Breeze Window Cleaning based in Melbourne, Victoria. Now with over 35 years experience in the home services industry, we specialise in eco-friendly window cleaning that's safe and effective for you, your family and your pets. Now our non-toxic biodegradable cleaners, plant-based, and our pure water-fed poles, they deliver a streak-free shine, perfect for your families, pets and those with allergies. Now we prevent harmful chemical runoff into Melbourne's waterways. We save up to 50% of your water, and we boost your home's natural light, which increases your property value. And we serve Greater Melbourne and the Mornington Peninsula with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit oceanbreezewindowcleaning.com.au for your free quote. And here's a quick demo. This is our eco-friendly solution we're putting on. Give it a really good scrub. This is our pure water. So this is pure water. All impurities are out of this. It's just pure water. Now normally we leave it like that and it just dries remarkably well because there's no impurities, there won't be any watermarks to it. But I'll just show you what it looks like with a bit of a squeegee. And a few drips coming down, which we're going to get rid of. How does that look? Just fantastic.